Hi there, Andrew Zang, Physical Therapy here. And my question for today is, are you tired of the games being played by the medical system and your health insurance? And more as I'm talking with people, the answer is 100% absolutely. I'm tired, I'm fed up. I just want to be able to get the best help possible and not have to jump through 50 million hoops in order to see the right provider, to get reimbursement, to whatever the answer is. And unfortunately, I don't see this getting any better anytime soon with the way that the system is currently constructed. It's set up in a way that's just not feasible. Doctors are stretched thin trying to see regular patients, let alone trying to get people who have, a shoulder, a nagging shoulder issue. Maybe they twisted their knee, for instance. Getting those people in, they're not high priority, so they're waiting weeks. And so individuals are summarily waiting weeks on end to go see a doctor. And so pain persists, disability rises, frustration mounts. And in the end, the doctor wasn't even the best person to provide help for that person. So why are we waiting for a doctor to direct you to the best healthcare provider to help your problem? And that is the inherent flaw in our system that's set up with the doctors as gatekeepers. But did you know that there is another way? In most instances, people are able to bypass the physician and go right to the best person to help them, be it a massage therapist, be it a chiropractor, be it a physical therapist like myself. We are able to see people for muscle and joint issues, function issues. You can't take care of your kids, grandkids. You have trouble getting up and down steps. You can't walk around the grocery store because of leg pain, back pain, whatever. Can't reach up into the cabinet because of shoulder pain. Is the doctor the best place to help you? Are you looking to have an injection? Most people, no, I don't want a needle. Are you looking to have surgery? Well, that's the last thing that's on most people's mind. Or are you looking to just pop pills? While that may take away the pain temporarily, it rarely solves the problem. So when that medication wears off, that problem is still sitting there in that shoulder, just waiting for somebody to actually address it. So why not bypass the frustration, bypass the hassles, and go right to the best provider to help you? Okay? There are those of us out there who have the capability to examine you and to know exactly if your problem can be helped by someone like us, or if you need to go see some other specialty physician because it's out of our scope of practice. We are educated to do that, and we will punch you on down the road if that is what needs to be. But in 99% of the cases that walk in and sit at my treatment table, they're absolutely 100% appropriate for the care that I provide, and it's going to help them get back to doing what they want to do, cycling or running or just working out at the gym, as my gentleman did earlier this morning. That's what he wanted to do. I want to get back to the gym. I want to see my friends there, and that's going to help me to feel better in all aspects of my life. So, what is holding you back from, taking that step and getting to the best provider to help your problem? Lots of people think that they must go through the doctors. Well, I already told you that's not necessary. People think, well, my insurance may or may not cover it. Well, what's more important to you? The fact that insurance may or may not cover some of a treatment session and waiting weeks to get the right answer, or going to a place that's going to begin to solve your problem today. And you don't have to worry about any other hassles involved. Those other things are just details that can be worked out in the end, because that's what they are. They're just details. So the question comes down to what's important for you. Is it waiting around to follow in this broken system, so where you're not seeing the right provider for you until weeks or months down the road? Or is it getting to the provider who's going to help you, who's going to get you back to doing what you want to be doing as fast as possible and take up as little amount of your time as possible? So think about it. You're going to go see a doctor, sit in a waiting room. maybe go for an image, sit in a waiting room, maybe go to an orthopedic, sit in a waiting room, back to another doctor before you ever get to the person who's going to help you. So right off the bat, you've wasted 6 hours and 6 weeks of your life. Or you can come right to someone like me and be seen within a day, maybe 2, based upon your schedule flexibility, and not have to wait around. You're going to get one-on-one attention for up to 60 minutes or more. That's right, 60 minutes or more with one-on-one care, not being passed around to multiple providers who aren't able to solve your problem for you. So I guess the question comes down to is, what is more important or valuable to you? You know, is it your time? Is it money? Is it your health and well-being? So if you know your health and well-being is most important, what's stopping you? You know, you can begin to get your problem solved today, tomorrow, if you have it, if you want. There are those of us out there who are looking to be a part of the solution, and we're ready and able to help you meet your goals. So it comes down to when you're ready to take that step and address those issues. People like me are here and waiting to help you get there better and faster and without all the hassles, because that's what it's about, and that's what I look to provide to any and every patient who comes and sits on my treatment table. So if you're interested in how you can, avoid some hassles and work your way through the medical system faster, and in the end save yourself some time and some money, and you're going to save money because you're not going to have multiple doctor's visits. You're not going to have to pay for an X-ray or MRI that's not going to tell anybody how to treat you. You're going to save a tremendous amount of time. And we hear the phrase so often, time is money. So how much time do you want to waste looking for a solution that doesn't work for you? If you want to find the solution now, then let's have a conversation. Put something in the chat. Send me an email, andrew@zangpt.com. I'm looking to help you achieve your goals and feel better as fast as possible. Hope you have a nice day.